Hi guys, this is Sriniket Sudhindra. Welcome to my channel, and today I am going to unbox the LG ultrawide 29-inch monitor. So let's see what's inside. So first we get a cover with the monitor's power adapter, and then we get a power cord. This is HDMI cable, and this is a display port cable. This is the monitor stand, and we get another part of the monitor stand. We find some screws and nuts and some other part, and this is the setup CD for the LG monitor, and these are two user manuals which you can use for the setup of the LG monitor. So now let's see what's inside. So here's the monitor, guys. It's covered in a very nice plastic, and so this is the monitor, guys. Totally. So it's a black monitor, guys, and then here it has one HDMI port, one display port, and one Type C port, and one headphone jack, and the DC in port. So there is nothing else inside, guys. There is only one more paper to fit how the base arm wall mount. So that's it, guys. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share, and be safe.